Step 4. Downloading your data from Kobo and viewing the results. To obtain the results of your assessment, the next step is to download the data from Kobo and copy it into the Excel sheet that will generate your results. On your web browser, go to the Summary tab and click on Downloads. The data must be downloaded in a specific format to be compatible with the neat Kobo data entry Excel file. Select Type as XLS and XML values and headers. Do not check the Include Groups in Headers box. Click Export. Once the project has been exported, click on the Download sign on the right-hand side. You will find the downloaded spreadsheet in the Downloads folder of your computer. Select all of the data on the sheet and copy it. On a PC, you can use Ctrl-A to select all and Ctrl-C to copy it to your clipboard. Return to the Neat toolkit and open the Neat Kobo Data Entry Excel sheet. Select Enable Content if it appears on your computer. Go to the second tab, called Paste Kobo Sensitivity here. Click on the empty cell A1 at the top left corner of your sheet and paste the sensitivity module data into the cell. Note that the data must be pasted into cell A1 of the tab. Each line of data pasted here represents one completed Kobo environmental sensitivity form. If you also downloaded activity module data, copy the data from your other downloaded Excel file and paste it into the third tab, called Paste Kobo Activity here. Once you have downloaded and copied the data correctly, you should be able to select the name of your project in the fourth tab, which is called Select Project Kobo. Confirm that the information displayed below matches your Kobo entry. Note that the generation of the analysis can take up to 5 minutes. You can view the results of the sensitivity analysis in the 8th tab entitled Sensitivity Summary. Based on the questions you have answered, this automatically generated analysis flags environmental issues of high, medium, and lower concern. For each of these highlighted issues, you will also find additional information and mitigation tips below. You can view the results of the activity modules in the additional summary tabs for shelter, wash, and food security after selecting your project in the Select Project Kobo tab. These analyses will display the level of environmental sensitivity of the planned or ongoing activities, the potential activity impact, and then calculate the overall potential environmental risk of these activities. Mitigation tips and additional resources are also displayed. For any queries or additional technical support using the NEAT, please refer to the NEAT guidance notes or contact the UNEP-OCHA Joint Environment Unit.